tunuulira abantu nga bano atalina ssente takubita lindazi mujje wali musumba yansabira nkola era sooka ontunuulire n'emyaka gyennina togimanyi ekyokubiri abaana bange basoma simanyi ssomero bwe litunula nti owaayo kano mumuzanyireko atalina ssente takubita lindazi omwavu tasobola kufuna mukazi bw'ati mukitegeera kati gumwe oyinza n'okunoonya omukazi owammwe bambi nga mukadde ne kunze kate emyaka mito olw'embeera mulyoke mudde ku pasita wange nyambadde engoye bbiri ku wammwe.
Journalists, I don't blame them because there is someone who captured. We've been with him several times. I will not mention his name. We've been spent time with him. But when the job got over, you know, lives don't need money. Whoever he told, one told, I spoke with him. And I told him, if I told you needed, you don't need to spoil my name. I know the person who told you. And I know. Someone thought the pastor attacked me. But you know, I'm used to been attacking me. Yes, he has been. And they looked for my wife pressure that is so can't manage to hold the pressure. So someone thought that when he's to put pressure, and they're going to reach a time and say, but she's there. And I promise you, there are things we know we keep around here, and there are things we don't joke with. Attack me the way you want, but avoid the soul for myself. If you want a battle with me, I will come you. Yes, we shall be. But my wife, we shall not associate. And if I don't make a better, so he will say, other things call me whatever you want. But if I told it is of my own, with my sister, with my mother, my sisters, my mom, we are going to fight. So, the rest, speak whatever you want. I cannot talk about what I but my wife, let's put them aside. I'll dismiss you. Just, you know, put right the image that is wrong. That person has the siblings, has got people, children. She has all these things. So when you spread your lines, you don't know what is happening. That the mother, she's a very beautiful woman. She's in peace. She brought up her children and put them together. So when you are going to adult and speak about her, they are going to look at her. She has the sister. They are good people. They are very good people. Some of them have never seen them at the door. When you speak such things, when you speak such things, you hit the whole family. Just leave them. Just sit and watch. The young they are going to be together. I am not yet married. Now take this over because we are on the 23rd is international, the next day on 24th, it is a wedding. Now, you speak as you come here. I welcome you my wedding. I will never say that ticket to come. That is good. But I want to thank you to welcome and to come and look for the right people. Thank you. The Ugandans, for the things are true, I don't believe them. That is news.
John Segawa Arts ne Buyu Studios ekutuusako omuzannyo amakula The Golden Calabash ekimala ebita. Suubira okulaba ebyewuunyisa entuuko n'obukuubagano ebiri mu lugero olukwata ku mukwano, obuyinza n'amaanyi go bwa Katonda nga bweyoleka.
Chifu Mukwawa akyali Chifu Mukwawa.
Tuwanyizamu International Conference ku Healthcare and Social Worker egenda okubeerawo June 21 paka 2024 mu Ontario Science Centre 770 John Mills Road, North York on M3C IT3. Ng'omulomo guli nti Health in a Social Perspective. Oba ogenda kubeera International Delegate ojja kusasula Canadian dollars 4 ate Local Delegate Canadian dollars 3. Mate eno conference tesosola. Tujja kwaniriza bamaama, bataata, bakadama, babankazi, aba human resource, ba artisti, buli muntu akola mu bantu, betuyise ba social workers, ga mu healthcare, ba doctors, ba nurses, ba caregivers, ba RPN, ba counselors, ba ARN, ba PSWs, na bonna abantu abakola mu bantu ba social workers. Okumanya ebisingawo kuba plus 647 702 2922 oba plus 137 288 9862. Eno International Conference ya Healthcare and Social Work ewagidwa Nightingale Initiative for Global Health, Sweet Heaven, Brookside Staffing Agency, M&G Media, Ontario Science Centre, Nightingale Holdings Limited, era netegekebwa Global Events Canada ne Nightingale Initiative for Global Health.
Platinum Wellness Spa offers therapeutic massage services complimentary with sauna and steam bath for your full body cleansing. You can now get a Swedish massage, hot stones, sport massage, aromatherapy, salt ability hot stone therapy, Moroccan bath hammam, jacuzzi, and many more therapeutic massage varieties. We are located along Lukuli Road near Teletubbies Primary School, off Rumala Access, Kongebuziga. Call us on 0708 842 821. Platinum Wellness Spa, here to take care of you.
Amanya nze Nsuuga Mustafa, nkola ne Alihira Holdings Uganda Limited. Tuli bakozi ba biodigester wamu n'okuzimba okwenjawulo. So olwaleero tuli waneeno nga tuli nkola biodigester. Ekyenjawulo ekiriwo nti yo eri mu basement wakati okusinziira nga bulijjo abantu mu kiraba ti eno parking lot. So eri wansi eri parking lot eri mu basement. Leero tukoze size y'abantu 5 ng'era erina capacity okusavinga ekizimbe kino kyonna nga wekinaabeera. Waneeno ng'era emigaso gya bulijjo gya biodigester tebagenda kunuunamu. Atwetaaze ku namba z'essimu 07017 66992 ne MTN 0789224230. Enamba ezo zonna kweziri ku WhatsApp.
Morris Cakes and Events Limited bakola cakes eza birthday, okwanjula, baby shower, bridal shower, mu buli design yonna gy'oyagala, traditional cakes n'ebika ebirala. Kosa n'okutegeka emikolo ne girabika bulungi. Basangibwa wa Kaliga okumpi n'akatale k'aba veteran ku namba z'essimu z'olaba wansi awo ku call ne WhatsApp. Kola order keke kutuukako yonna gy'owangaalira. Mariam Massa mukyala muyimbi, mukyala muzadde, ayimba music, abuulirira ate azimba. Alina akayimba akapya bakayita eddembe ly'abato omuli obubaka obukwata ku baana n'abakulu. Kanoonye ku YouTube channel ye Mariam for Children ne Facebook Mariam Music.